like right now.
Yeah. You go out in the woods today. There's something about a surprise. Today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea swims so wild and he swims so free.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
What? Twinkle, twinkle. Rain around the roses, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Oh my God, we're so stupid.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't see it, but we caught it. We caught it.
Oh no!
It's quiet now.
Yeah, I know, I don't like it. Rain, rain, please stay, go away another day. If it rains, I don't care. Putting a different song with that.
Underwear.
That doesn't go with that song, does it?
I know. It doesn't.
What comes after that? It's raining.
Yeah, there you go.
Pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, he bumped his head. We have thunder.
Thunder.
Alright, anyway. He went to bed and bumped his head and won't wake up till morning. That song is not valid. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Daddy.
You make me happy when skies are gray.
Yay.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Look at that. That is a freaking intense cloud.
I'll make it rain, make it rain, make it rain.
That, my friend, that is an intense rain cloud. Well, you know, I kind of figured it'd be raining by now.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the bird, look at the bird, look at the bird, look at the bird. It's happy, it's happy, it's gonna rain. Soaring, flying, to get to a place to see all that we can be. If we're trying, so we'll break free.
Probably are.
Bye, it didn't rain.
Bye.